Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, I've got my little Lexus in the healing garage. We are going to be changing the strut. It's got 120,000 miles on her, 22, something like that. And this strut let go. Time to change it. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. We're off the ground tire off. We need to take this bolt off, this bolt down here off. You can see the strut let the fluid out of it. We're gonna have to take all these other brackets and fun stuff off. But one of the hard parts will be go up under the hood here. You see how I got to get to these 3 bolts because I'm gonna replace where this bearing is, and I don't know if I might be able to pop this plastic off. It looks like it should be pretty easy. Well, I've only smashed one finger so far, not so bad. But currently we've got the sway bar disconnected, all the cables, these 2 bolts. So everything under here is pretty well disconnected. Now I just need to start working on the top here. Oh, a ratcheting wrench would be nice in here. All right, here we go. We got the old one. So we still have the spring and the bearing on top. The new one, no spring, no bearing. So we need to compress this spring to pull this off. And then we're gonna take the spring, put it over here with a new bearing, and then we go back into there. All right, now I got the spring compressor here. So what's gonna happen if you're doing this at home, be very, very careful because this has a ton of potential energy. Once I compress this down, it's gonna start squeezing that spring. Even right now, in between here has a ton of energy because this is what holds the weight of the car. So we're gonna compress this down, release it off of this bearing, which I almost already have it. I haven't even squeezed it too hard. And then once we release this off this bearing, we can pull this spring out. Once again, be very, very careful because this breaks or anything lets go, this spring is gonna go boing and it's gonna shoot stuff everywhere, all your eyes, your head. So just remember, if you're doing this at home, this can be very dangerous. There we go. New strut is on. Make sure everything is seated. Let me double check that. Now we can start backing these back out. Make sure you do it evenly when you go in and out. Try to do it as even as possible. Just like that, we got a new strut. It's ready to go. Just got to reverse right back into the car. All right, so here's the old one. It pushes in way too easy and there's 0 rebound. It's lost it all. Yep, there we have it. So, reinstalled the strut, spring, everything. Tighten the tops, supposed to torque them, didn't torque them, can't really get a torque wrench in there. Torque the bottoms to 170 is supposed to be. My torque wrench goes to 150, so well, 150 is fine. And then that one I just made sure it's Guten tight. Good to go. Awesome.